Are you tired of looking in the mirror and seeing those stubborn acne scars staring back at you? You're not alone. Many people struggle with the aftermath of acne, and guess what? There are effective home remedies that can help reduce their appearance without breaking the bank. Stick around, because today we're diving into foolproof methods you can try right in your kitchen. Acne scars can impact your confidence, making even the simplest of tasks feel overwhelming. But the good news is, with just a few natural ingredients, you can start to reclaim that smooth, radiant skin you desire. Whether the scars are new or old, there are remedies that have been used for centuries that can nurture and heal your skin. Let's talk about 3 powerful home remedies that not only promote healing, but also nourish your skin. But first, let's play a little guessing game. Do you know which common kitchen item is a secret weapon against scars? I'll reveal that in just a moment. First on our list is honey. This golden elixir isn't just delicious, it's also antibacterial and packed with antioxidants. Applying raw honey directly to your scars can help reduce redness and inflammation while promoting healing. Just leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing and you'll start to see the difference. Now, here's a fun fact. Ever heard of the power of aloe vera? This plant is nature's own healing agent. It not only soothes your skin, but also helps fade those pesky scars over time. Simply apply fresh aloe vera gel directly from the leaf onto your scars. You can use it as a nightly treatment, and trust me, your skin will thank you in the morning. But wait, there's more. Have you considered using lemon juice? Here's a quick tip. When mixed with water and applied as a spot treatment, the natural acidity in lemon can lighten scars. However, be cautious and avoid sun exposure after application, as this can lead to irritation. By now, I know you're eager to try these remedies, but hang tight, and don't forget, consistency is key. Incorporating these practices into your daily skincare routine can yield remarkable results over time. Before we wrap up, I'd like to ask, have you tried any of these home remedies before? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, every step counts in this journey to clear skin, and you have what it takes to make it happen. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Health Alert Remedies, for more great content like this. Together, let's unlock the secrets to healthy, glowing skin.